Yeah, play with me, that's gone. Yeah. Oh, the real wolf. Wow. And I'm going to give you just an average Sunday vlog. So you see what I do through the week with work and things. I'm going to show you more of that. You only saw me travelling. And show you more about the workshop that I'm building. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do it. Support 10% of everything I earn eventually, which is nothing at the minute. So it's a big help for subscribing, please. We'll go to Mental Health UK. And this is not a typical Sunday morning. Miserable, cloudy, it's raining. But we make the best of it because we're still not in the miserable UK, and I'm still closer to being where I want to be in life than where I was. So it's a bit of a lazy day for me. I'm going to watch some telly, do a bit of studying. Then later on we're going to meet Lucas, do a check-in with him, see how he's getting on with his business now. So I know he's having a bit of a bad time. And I think he's having a bit of a better time now, so he's going to share that with us. And then we're going to help him do a bit of coaching with him on his boxing because he enjoys it. Just to get me out a bit on a Sunday. Got my washing and dry cleaning to pick up. Then I'm just going to go, and hopefully it's raining later when I go in the pool. Do some swimming in the rain. Come back, have a shower, get some downtime ready to find out tomorrow off the emails. Hopefully I've got some joy of what's going on back home. If you don't know what's going back home, it's quite serious. Check out my video. I'll put it up here so you can see what it is. Actually, I'll leave it on for the end for you to watch. It's quite a hard thing I'm going through right now, so I appreciate any support. And once again, if you haven't subscribed, hit it now, please. And yeah, we'll carry on with the day. Meet Lucas for training, but he's busy, so we're going to do a full day vlog tomorrow. I'll show you that. I've been to fetch my washing. There already. 200 baht bonus. And yeah, it's getting stormy bad out there. We haven't had much monsoony weather yet, but look at this. Okay. Yeah, play with me, that's gone. It's blowing everything down. I've never had one like this yet. It's probably nothing to you guys. Hear it? This is blowing everything. Get that. Oil. Whoa. Really want to go swimming in it, but I'm scared to get struck by lightning. What? Should we go up on the roof and have a look? The boring cloudy Sunday's turned into this. We're getting excited over storms. We don't get them as bad as this in the UK. We don't really get them here that much. Well, I had them since I've been here, shall we say. Oh, we got lifts. Bet the security will be stopping you go. I probably really shouldn't be using the lift, should I? But oh well, let's have a look. Some lightning now as well. Some lightning now as well. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That was so through. That was ace. You know, we can catch some lightning on the out the window. So yeah, I fell asleep again. I was tired. Well-earned rested weekend after everything. Today's Monday. It's early hours of the morning in the UK, so I've not checked my emails yet. But come on, let's pray that we get something sorted this week and I can protect my kids. If you're not sure and you're tuned into this one, watch my previous video and you'll see the amount of stress I've got going on back home, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you remember Lucas from the border run who I bumped into, and the lad who I've been talking to coming up over here, and one of the first people I met and interviewed, we're going to go meet him this morning because he's been going through a bit of a tough time on his own. You know, he's only 18 and moved out here, so I've had a few struggles. And he's doing to some new condos today, so we're going to see how his business is getting on. He may be moving to a different part of Bangkok. And let's see what he's got to tell you, update you. And I've told him, stop holding things in when you feel like that. Me being the older man trying to do these things these days. I want to take him under my wing today with him, go with him. He can teach me a few things because he's so wise onto how things work, like the train systems, all loads of different things. He's been here a bit longer than me, so very outgoing, and he'll impress you as well. He can speak quite fluent Thai already, Korean, and it's an 18-year-old kid from Sweden. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go and spend some time with him today, work on some boxing with him. I'll do all this completely free, so if you're in Bangkok and you're having any struggle, reach out to me. I'll train you for free and listen to you. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to do now. So I'm going to put some time into today, talk to him a little bit, and then go to these condos. And depending on the weather, we're going to do an ice bath place in Bangkok. But if it's not warm enough, I'm going to wait till a nice red hot day so we can actually enjoy the day a bit better than looking out at these clouds. Look. We're going to go get coffee now, and we'll go and see Luke's in the gym. So let's go. It's miserable today out here. Shall I try and set you up and we'll try and scare it? Go on, let's see if I can do it. Oh, I had booked the thing, have I? I was charging you guys to bring my stand up. Lucas is here. Say yo, Lucas. Yeah. So we're going to go see 2 condos today because he's on about, he's moving out. And we'll have a little catch up on how he's getting on and a few things. We're going to get some training in, some light sparring, get them endorphins going, and then get out and adventure.
What you want me to do? But people keep coming to me, telling me, speak. If you didn't speak, I'm like, I'm not speaking.
Intensive, using the
God put me to the place where I had to feel it. I was on my feet. So I didn't down like Fort Lord. I go backwards.
Because that's what I want. Okay? So that's if you move to your left a little bit too much. So now, as you move to your right, go after you throw your jab. Jab, drop your right foot to the right very slightly. And then adjust. Look, you'll fall short there, okay? Don't mind if you hit. That's the difference. Rather than we all fast. When I say quality, you sitting there working on that. Solid jab. It's the distance I've cut there. Nowhere near that one, but at the same time, everything like whack. Right, so that. I want to see you over your reach. I'm now, guys, stepping up from that. It's a little bit slippy. We just try it right down here along. Nowhere. Yeah, and then come back in. You know what I'm saying? That plan, you're going to have that jam, make sure you'll tuck it tight. Better. Yes. Yep. There you go, good. Solid. Good, okay. So you have to switch on, okay? Quick turn, then you go to the gap. You're going again, being too respectful towards me, that was all. Yeah. That'll do it, right? Yep. So I'm in Lucas now, we're going to do a burpee comp. So who have you got winning you? Or me? Confident, eh? Right, let's do it, does it then? We're just going to literally, he's going to do one, I'm going to do one. It's like Pistons. The first one to quit is a loser. Right, let's go. I'm done. So back to the room, quick wash in the sink, and then we're going to go out and view some condos. Just washed all my balcony off. And potentially going to go to the ice plunge place. If we don't decide to go there, we're going to go to this other working cafe, which I'll show you. It's meant to be open 24/7, pretty cool. But let's see how the day goes on anyway. And discuss a bit more with Lucas. He seemed a little bit apprehensive about talking at the minute. I'm not going to push him, got the right, but I'm hoping he'll open up and just encourage you younger lot to just speak more about what's going on, because it really does eat away at you in life otherwise. Look how he scrubs up this one. How dapper does he look? So yeah, just on the way to Luke's first condo tour. Let's see what it's going to be like. It's a bit more room, more upper class, in a bit of area where he travels every day to use this co-working space, so he might as well, like I say, save a load of money every year and live right opposite. And yeah, it's meant to look nice, so we'll show you on the other end. Called the Sharawakan Riverside condo. We're just waiting for the agent to come, and then I'm going to give you a tour. Let's just go and have a look down here. What do you think? Nice look at games room in there. So clearly you got like a kids' games room and things playing there. Wow. This is these floating lounges look so much more class than the ride with them little dip. Nice big car parks for your scooters or things as well. Everything seems to be facial recognition as well, like top class stuff. So we're gonna go back up. Just gonna have a look at the room and what other facilities we have. Be like a little meditation area. Let's have a look at the view off here. 43rd floor. Beautiful view of the river. And I bet nobody else. And then another co-working space. Let's go and have a find that. Yeah, there's a lot more class to this beautiful sky lounge. So you come out of the lift into this. These corridors are clean, nice, big doors. Come here, I'd like to do a bathroom. Wow, okay, nice, really modern. Right, really clean. Look at that, those units are lovely. Lots of covered space. Washer. Very nice. Double bed. Nice and low one. Okay. That for a view of the river, that is beautiful. I don't think you just the right size balcony now. Climb over and sit on there. Not. Look at that for a view. Now we couldn't get access to the gym, two reasons. The tour man didn't have the actual card. So this is a picture of the boxing gym, which is on the top floor also. And then this is also the top floor sky lounge where you can work from as well, which is absolutely stunning. If you need any more information on this, I'll leave it in the description. So yeah, hopefully if you want to get in touch with me and comment below, I can give you any more information that you need also. So we couldn't get into the Sky Lounge because we didn't have the right car, but it's amazing facility, beautiful, next level. So the total cost altogether it's 14,000, but Luke's is trying to get him down to 13,500 baht a month. I'll put the conversion rate up here. That is phenomenal for what you're getting, how close you are into the city, the river, Asiatique, everything. So I'll be looking to hopefully get it at some point myself in the future. All the reasons, subscribe, support me, get on it, and see you on the next one. Explaining a few things. So basically, how the human brain and body works is...
He was burning.
Go, Dolphin, go. Yeah, go on. So coming up next is going to be me mentoring two lads, pro basketball players, encouraging them how to get into the ice plunge, get into the head, explaining how it all works, the dopamine release, the psychology behind it all. If you're interested in things like this for your recovery for addiction, just for mental strength, or want to better your life in many ways and want some tips, I offer free one-to-one phone call Zoom check-ins and many more services available on my wellbeing hub. It's called Escape the Matrix. Scan the QR code, take a look, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and appreciate all your support. 10% of everything I make goes to Mental Health UK.